Hello, this is Phil with Slate Family Adventures. Thanks for tuning in. On today's video, we're going to go ahead and talk about the best room, in my opinion anyway, on most Carnival cruise ships. This is true for the Magic, the Vista, the Dream Class, pretty much any of the bigger ships for sure, and a few of the other ones I'm pretty sure as well, because a lot of the cruise ship layouts are the same. So this should hold true for pretty much the most part. You're going to see in the video the prime location details of how it is location wise to get out of points of interest, and why I personally feel that it's one of the best rooms that you can get on a cruise ship, and it's also one of the best deals on it too. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the video. Hope you like it.
So why do you get the midship deck 6 level room? This is our room. This is literally the corner to go around to the elevators. And then this is the elevator lobby. There's no noise from the elevators, and I'll show you, the benefits of getting on up from here. These steps, one flight down, take you to the casino and a deck 5 lanai area, all right outside your door. The elevator.
Upper deck.
Get in, press 10 to go up to the Lido.
Deck 10, Lido deck.
Boom, there's the pools, the whole Lido deck area. There's the stairs. If you turn the corner right here, you're in the buffet. Guys, burgers are back around the corner. The Mongolian and walk for the wife is right here. It's a great spot.
Lido deck.
Continue that. Here's coming out the elevators on 10. If you do sit right here by the pool, you have guys burgers and meat to the view right here. Blue iguana right here. Blue iguana tequila bar. Red prod bar. All just steps from your room. Alright, just a quick follow-up. Going down the stairs to deck 5 like I was talking about. So if you are a casino guy or gal, that's the casino. You got the internet hub here. Ocean Plaza for some music. The bar area here. Alchemy bar is right there. And this takes you up to the lanai, to the hot tubs and stuff. And then Bonsai Sushi's right down the hallway, followed by the piano bar and everything on down the way. Again, midship deck 6 is the only way to go.